Yeah, I want to keep the series going, but I'm waiting for the voice actors to finish. Oh, I could help. You sure? Yes, I can. Yes, 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 yes. Hi, I'm Ego, and I'm always. Woo, woo, woo. Okay, what the hell is that thing? Is that a crocodile? No, 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 no. No negative physical contact, you stupid. Yeah. You guys really think you could beat us? Well, that is Scap. You will face defeat. Everybody knows you're gonna lose. Everybody knows you will get bruised. Think that you are so cool. Well, you are just Snoop. You know that you won't win this fight. Animaniacs say goodbye. Have a way cooler show than yours because we're modern. You are just old timey. You think you are so cool. Well, you guys are just noobs. This episode may be lazy, but that doesn't matter.
Okay, let's get this over with. So, I gotta play.
It's time for Animaniacs. And we're zany to the max. So just sit back and relax. You're left with income complex with Animaniacs. Join up with our brothers and the Warner Sister Dots. This is how we run around the water movie love. They lock us in the tower whenever we get caught, but we get. Oh, that really sucks, because we're Animaniacs. If you burnt out the city, can't you see you're losing to Animaniacs? Hold on to your seat, cause you just haven't bit. Cause we're Animani, totally insane. We don't have any shamey Animaniacs. You didn't win.